So the final day of the road trip.
Reduce volume.
Final day of the road trip. After seeing mornings in Maharashtra, mornings in Gujarat, again seeing morning in Gujarat, mornings in Maharashtra. Final day, morning in final state, Karnataka. We are starting from Bijapur. Some 8-9 hours journey from here, casually going. So we should reach by 4 hopefully. Yeah, that's about it. Little sad feeling that road trip has got over. Little good feeling that we can meet with our offsprings. It has been a week now, leaving them and coming. So yeah, mixed feeling. But a lot of memories, lot of feelings, emotions with all those temple visit, eating at different places, early morning bonda pakoda, all those will be missed. But yeah, until unless they are missed, we will not plan for the next time. That's about it. Let's go ahead with our journey to final stop. This time it's not a pit stop, it's a stop. Let's see how it plans out. Bye.
ನನಗೆ ವಿಜಯಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಅದು ತೆಗಿಡಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ನಂದಿನಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ರೀಶ್,
ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್.
ನಡೀರಿ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಂಬಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ನಡೀರಿ. ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ
ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಬಾಕರ್ವಾಡಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬಾಕರ್ವಾಡಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪುಣೆ
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಗೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಸೇಮ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೇಳು.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ? ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು ಬಾಕರ್ವಾಡಿ.
No day starts without an entry to a toll. We are out of Bijapur town and now onto the highway, and the first toll of the last day of the trip is just there to greet us. Bangalore se 505
Kasaba user fee plaza.
Masaba ki bank Kasaba ka toll plaza. Let's count how many of toll plaza we'll get today in the final lap. This is the first. जैसे ही हमने ब्रेकफास्ट किया वैसे ही फास्टैग ने भी ब्रेकफास्ट की मांग रख दी और दूसरा टोल आ गया दिन का. वेलकम टू BHTPL. सिम वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय ऑर्डर. थोड़ा सा डिटूर करके हमने छोटे से शांतिजा गट्टे के रेस्टोरेंट में इडली वड़ा लोड होके वापस निकल गए बैंगलोर की तरफ. अंदर 442 kilometers and there is a change in the pilot is full accepted.
Nagarala.
After seeing Gujarat windmills while going now on back to Bangalore route, we are witnessing the same, the departing time visit of Karnataka windmills. The stretch is so bland and barren, to be very frank, and very hot. I mean, it's anyways August, but still this stretch is known to be hot. It's just like dedicated students just doing study, so stretch is only for a good road. Continue going. Very less number of hotels, dhabas, petrol bunks. Just sticks to the basic that a road should be good. Just keep going. We will connect to Chitradurga through Hospet and all in this route, and then continue our journey towards Bangalore. without any compromise to contribution to government's economy and infrastructure development programs. Another toll. Kulja Sim waits for that final instruction, then only it opens. एक और टोल और 382 kilometers left. ETA is still at the same time when we started around 4:15. The breakfast time is offset only because of this route having good roads. It भारत की समृद्धि में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हुए एक और टोल, शाहपुरा टोल प्लाजा। स्ट्रेच पे केवल टोल ही है, पेट्रोल बंक भी नहीं है, उतने होटल्स भी नहीं है, केवल टोल। बट ये है कि टोल काफ़ी अच्छा है या फिर इस हाई क्रॉस का फास्टैग बहुत ही क्लीन और क्लियर है। डजंट टेक अ वाइल, पटक से खुल जाता है और फिर वी कंटिन्यू बैक। Now we are getting into that zone कि अब किसी तरह से जितनी जल्दी हो सके घर पहुंच जाए, क्योंकि साइकोलॉजिकली सेट हो चुके हैं कि अभी ट्रिप खत्म हो गया। ज़्यादा ही प्यार हो गया टोल को हमसे। अभी जस्ट एक टोल दिया था शाहपुरा में, फिर से एक अलग से आ गया टोल। अब इसका नाम क्या है मालूम नहीं। It didn't take even kilometer or something, but then there is a turn from the road which we took a turn. जिधर टोल दिया था उसमें से आधा किलोमीटर के बाद एक टर्न है। So maybe that is the reason. ठीक है, जय हो राजमार्ग यात्रा ऐप। Anyways, it's August. Under 14 days it is gonna expire. So there will certainly be trips pending. Windmills add to the beauty actually. So many of them. Beauty of the road. After seeing beautifully lit tunnels in Maharashtra, let's have a look at the Karnataka ones also, sorry. Not bad. Just a few glow signs and all are missing. But I really admire whichever government has made this. Whenever they made this is an effort actually. To cut through the hill. It's really nice viewpoint actually. Yaudidu river na lake? River Jindal Steel Plant, Thorangal. Contributing to country's development.
And the whole village,
Look at this effect of chemicals on the roadside. I mean, not criticizing the industry, but then there is an impact for sure.
Sundar Banks. Now you can see the big
covering up the chemical impact on the road by painting it again. That's the factory, the bigger one. Main factory, na?
just a bit of
That is this Jindal's Thorangal main factory. Hospet. See, so nice the divider looks actually with the yellow color flower. This reminds of that Andhra route actually. There also they will have all these flowers and all. It's a good thing. People don't get deviated for the other side traffic also. Distracted, I mean, sorry. And then for look also it looks good. Full flourishing yellow flowers. Only couple of things consistent in this road. Good road and intermittent toll gates.
Hampi Expressway.
It's nice though. They've maintained the road so it's fine to pay for tolls also, and you're not paying anyways because you are having Rajmarg Mahamarg or Rajmarg Yatra app. So it's good. But road is really good this side. Though traffic is there, it doesn't give you the feel.
This Hampi Expressway.
Humpy Expressway, it seems. The pilots have changed, but then what is consistent is toll gates. Another one in our quest to reach Bangalore, 226 kilometers away, but one more toll. कल से पेंडिंग बारिश आज वापस कर्नाटका में आके मिली है, जो गुजरात में छूटी, महाराष्ट्र में छूटी थी। गर्मी बढ़ रही थी एक्चुअली, तो थोड़ी बारिश तो बनती है। लुक एट दैट साइड, उतने सारे विंड मिल्स और ऐसा लग रहा है हम के बीच में जा रहे हैं। गुड साइड एक्चुअली, सारे विंड मिल अपने फुल स्विंग में। उन बीच में कुछ ऑडासियस वाले हैं जो शांति से बैठे हैं। दोपहर का टाइम हो गया है, अभी हमारा रोड ट्रिप का एक फाइनल लंच, सब कुछ आज फाइनल ही हो रहा है। ब्रेकफास्ट फाइनल हो गया, फाइनल लंच करके चित्रदुर्गा के आसपास फिर वापस घर। तनाश जा रही है लंच आउटलेट की।
फ्रेंडशिप डे रहेगा
यार क्या हमारे खाने के साथ हमेशा से टूल तैयार रहता है। वी जस्ट फिनिश्ड लंच एट इंस्टाग्राम फेमस लोकेशन एंड देन started
which was a disaster.
On a toll now. So as I was telling previously, it's just like reaching home, meeting kids, just in a while, too much while now.
Desperation
It's always like in the last 4-5 hours of the trip.
The desperation is kicked in actually. Go to Suryan Medical first.
Waiting to reach another 150 kilometers. Being no traffic and all in Bangladesh. They were selling another 150 change kilometers there. And if not for Nilmangla traffic, we should be able to reach by 4:30. Currently 1:30 over 3 hours. Only just trying to revise the ETA as much as we can. That's what it is of now. करजीवन हल्ली टोल प्लाजा में आपका स्वागत है। एक यही चीज है जो कंसिस्टेंट है। Pretty much close to the destination. Another after this one, 2 more tolls after this, and we'll be home.
2 more tolls. This is
Second last toll. This is second last toll. We stopped in between for a while. Now our revised ETA is 5:10 p.m. This is second last toll before our home.
oh, look at the birds. How do you go?
So the final toll of road trip, Nilmangla Toll Plaza. We kind of did it.
Did it with all the tolls done and dusted.
3,900 kilometers. Not exactly, a little less than that. 3850 it will be at the end of the trip. But yeah, good one.
Done.
Welcome to Bangalore. Final few kilometers, which will be like
Yeah, the 8th mile.
Yeah, achievement on its own only because the signal will be like blocked like anything. Let's see.
ಓ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Welcome to Bangalore. Must have been missing the traffic for last 1 week. And here you go. It's exactly the same way the way it was before we left. No changes. Possible addition only. Okay, cult, I'm back. I'll be back from tomorrow. Okay, here we reach. The road trip ends here. The